So an outcome that a lot of our customers are seeking is predictive trend analysis, or even a level of alerting when either a trend is out of band, right? So whether it's the watermark is too low or too high on a specific element, or it's something that we have built data modeling to actually start predicting what's going to happen based on other components, right? Those could be historical elements or other senses that are happening at that same time. A good example of this is in our smart and safe intersections. So because we're detecting and tracking vehicles, people, which includes skateboards, crosswalks, all of these types of things, you get a real sense of traffic flow. So not only do I know how many vehicles are going by, I know the type of vehicles that are also passing and what specific direction. So one of the examples is, well, how do I know if I'm going to have some type of traffic congestion? Well, if you have 20% more trucks that are traveling through the city, they can't clear the red lights as quickly as cars can. Or if you have a situation where there's a lot more people going across crosswalks, as in there's some type of conference going on or school's let out early, there are all those issues that can arise because traffic simply can't flow the way that it used to flow. And so two elements with that. One is what's happening then and how can we predict when that type of congestion is going to happen? Because we're seeing all of those intersections and how that information is flowing back through our platform, we can then say when congestion is going to hit farther down and then approximate the time that that's going to happen. But then looking at it much more of a larger prediction model is based on these things that happened in the past. These types of things will likely happen in the future. So if we look at specific vehicle trends, weather patterns, and things like that, we can also, even before there's certain elements that we start detecting, predict when certain things will happen. And when that happens, or when those triggers are met, we can not only push alarms to our single pane of glass visualized element, but we can also drive that to other systems. And that includes video snippets, types of alarms, audio data that we can pull from each one of those locations. So it's really about providing that customer the perspective of what will happen soon or what may happen in the future.